Hello, hopefuls. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. So I went to Walgreens and I did 2 separate transactions, and I wanted to get more points so I can get the paper products. And I just so happened to go in there and they had toilet paper. So even though that's not my favorite, but it had a good coupon and I had points. So the first transaction that I did, guys, is that I got more toothpaste, and it was buy 2, the same as last week. Saya, buy 2, get 4,000 points. And so what I did was I had 2 manufacturer coupons where if you bought 3, where is it? If you bought 3, you got $7 off. If you bought 2, you got $5 off. I picked up the ones that were $2.99. So all of these were $2.99. And I did ask her because at first my total was kind of still high. And I was like, okay, do I have any manufacturer coupons? And she looked, and it seemed like she hit something and it came off because I thought it would come off instantly. And then I told her I wanted to use my points. So I did already have, I think, 1,300 points before. Well, it says 10,000. But I thought I had 1,300 points. So I redeemed 10,000 of those points, and no, 4,000 of the points, because my total was only after the $7 and the 5 came off manufacturer coupons. It was only $4.03, so I only paid 3 cents, and I thought that was awesome. And then I got back 8,000 more points for the toothpaste. I probably could have got one more, but I didn't want to pay more out of pocket, and got 4,000 more points. So really, dang, I should have got maybe one more. Okay, y'all, so what I did was I spinned around. Instead of already having this in my cart, I wanted to see how this play out, because last week my $7 did not come off. So I said, you know what, I'll just do the toothpaste, pay for that, get more points, and then I just told her at the register, I just do that anyway, but you don't have to. And I spin the cart around. I told her I was going back to get either toilet paper or paper plates. So the paper plates, they say they have this sale quite often, but this is the first time that it's, I took advantage of it or knew about it. And the paper plates are buy one get one free, and so they're $3.99 each, and so you get one for free. And then it was a 75-cent coupon, and then $1.25 for the Scots that came off. At first, I didn't see it. This Scots is $5. First, I didn't see it, but she looked on there for me, and she was trying to look herself, and she's real patient. The cashiers are really patient. Well, CVS too, but really, really patient at Walgreens. And anyway, she saw that it came off, so it made the tissue like $3.75 and 75 cents off the Dixie. I wish it was 2 of these, but anyway. And so I redeemed $10 in points, and I paid, I think I still paid something out of pocket, because it was, yeah, it was $11.92. So I still pay like $1.92, because how Walgreens points are, you only can redeem like, I think $2, maybe $1, $2, $5, $10, and then, yeah, and it goes on and on. So now I only have 4,280 points to redeem. And so I have to build that back up. But y'all, that was pretty good. All of that, and I only paid $1.95 out of pocket. 95 cents. So guys, thanks so much for watching. What I would say in Walgreens, I would say just do small transactions, take your time, do multiple transactions to see exactly what you're doing, and don't do like big transactions. So this week, this is not advertised. I did see that in a lot of coupon groups and videos and stuff like that, but just go check it out. I think the Dove is still there. If you got a bunch of points, you get back 4,000 points. So anyway, y'all, you have a great day. Bye-bye.